Hi everyone, this is our 19th part of Static GK. So, in this session, we will learn about the tags of the world. So, tags are also known as nicknames of the world, or we have one more word, sobriquets of the world. So, let's get started. The first one is Albania. So, what is the nickname of Albania? Land of eagles. And what is the tag? What is the nickname of Africa? We all know, most of us are aware of this. Africa is known as the dark continent. And Australia. What are different tags for Australia? The first one is the land of kangaroos, the island continent, and the land of golden fleece. Well, what is meant by fleece? Fleece is wool, right? So it's like woolly covering of a sheep or of a goat. And what is the tag of Atlantic Ocean? Herring pond, right? Atlantic Ocean is also known as herring pond. And Aberdeen, what is the tag of Aberdeen? Aberdeen is in Scotland, so it's known as Granite City. And Beijing is also known as City of Cycles. And what are the nicknames of Belgium? Battlefield of Europe and Cockpit of Europe. Bhutan, Land of Thunderbolt and Land of Thunder Dragon. So these two are the nicknames of Bhutan. Canada is also known as the Great White North. Chicago is also known as Windy City. Cuba. So Cuba is known as the sugar bowl of the world, and Egypt is the gift of Nile. So Egypt is also known as the gift of Nile. And what is known as sorrow of China? Huangho River, right? And what about Finland? Finland is known as the land of thousand lakes, right? And what is also known as Emerald Island? It's Ireland. And what is also known as Island of Fire? Iceland. Iceland is known as Island of Fire. Yeah, we know Japan is known as the land of rising sun, and also Britain of the East. Japan is also known as Britain of the East. Korea is also known as land of morning calm. So, land of a million elephants, Laos. And Lhasa, so Tibet is known as the forbidden city. And what is the tag of Madagascar? The Red Island. Malta is also known as George Cross Island. Myanmar is also known as the land of golden pagoda. And what is the sobriquet of Natal? It's land of perpetual greenery. Sobriquet of Netherlands. We have three sobriquets. The first one is land of canals. Netherlands is also known as land of tulips and also land of windmills. New York City, so it's known as city of skyscrapers, Big Apple and Empire City. What about New Zealand? New Zealand is also known as Britain of South, the land of the long white cloud. And Norway, we are very much aware of this land of midnight sun. Oxford, so this city, Oxford city, is known as the city of dreaming spires. And Osaka is also known as the Manchester of the Orient. Palestine is known as the Holy Land, and Paris is known as the roof of the world. What about prairies? Prairies is known as the never land. And Quito is known as the city of eternal springs. Rome is known as the eternal city and the city of seven hills. Wanda is known as the land of thousand hills. What is the tag of San Francisco? The city of Golden Gate. And Scotland is known as the land of cakes. And Stockholm is also known as Venice of the North. Stockholm is in Sweden. And Strait of Gibraltar is also known as the Pillar of Hercules. What is Strait of Gibraltar? So this is a very narrow strait that connects the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea. Switzerland is also known as the playground of Europe, and Thailand, as we know, is known as the land of white elephant. Venice, which is in Italy, has got three tags. The first one is City of Water, it's also known as the floating city, and also the Queen of the Adriatic. Washington, D.C. This city is known as the capital of the world and chocolate city and the federal city. What about Zambia? Zambia is known as the copper country, and Kochi, which is in India, it's known as the Queen of Arabian Sea. Bahrain is known as Pearl of Arabia and Island of Pearls. Yatomi, which is in Japan, this city is known as the city of goldfish. So in the upcoming sessions we will be covering the remaining static part, and we will be starting history and geography. Thank you very much, and keep revising all this, and when you are watching the video please maintain notes. Thank you very much.